Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mini chocolates using paper molds. First, gather your essential tools: parchment paper, a ruler, scissors, and a pencil. You'll also need your preferred chocolate, ready to melt, and a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure the parchment paper is food-safe and doesn't have any wax or plastic coatings. This simple method allows for custom shapes and sizes, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's create the molds. Take your parchment paper and cut it into strips, about 1.5 inches wide. Next, fold each strip into small, consistent shapes, like squares or rectangles, ensuring the bottom is sealed. You can make them as small as 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Use a tiny piece of food-safe tape on the outside to secure the folds, preventing any chocolate from leaking. These custom molds are surprisingly sturdy. With your molds ready, it's time for the chocolate. Melt your favorite chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, heating it in 30-second intervals and stirring well after each. Once smooth, carefully pour the melted chocolate into each paper mold, filling them almost to the top. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, professional finish. This step is crucial for perfect chocolates. Finally, place your filled molds into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, carefully peel away the paper molds to reveal your perfectly shaped mini chocolates. This method is fantastic for creating unique treats for gifts or parties. They look impressive and taste delicious. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.